Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to recreate a fantastic recipe from the Soap Queen that was formulated especially for oily skin, acne and other skin impurities, and it's a activated charcoal facial soap. It has 3 very special ingredients, and the first one is activated charcoal. Activated charcoal chemically binds other substances to its surface. This is called absorption. Charcoal can absorb thousands of times its own weight. That's why just a bit of charcoal can absorb so many toxins from your skin. Charcoal soap is known to be highly beneficial in the treatment of acne. Soap with activated charcoal will also absorb toxins and remove skin impurities and oils on and below the skin. This way, soap eliminates acne. The next ingredient that we're going to use is tea tree oil. And tea tree oil is distilled from the leaves of the Melaleuca alternifolia plant found in Australia. The oil possesses antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, antiviral and antifungal properties. Therefore, it is a popular choice for treating acne. It's thought to calm redness, swelling and inflammation. It may even help to prevent and reduce acne scars, leaving you with a smooth, clear skin. And our next very special ingredient is called Tamanu oil, and this is an oil pressed from the nuts of the Calophyllum inophyllum plant. And what does it do? It soothes and softens the skin, promotes the formation of new tissues and healthy skin, helps with inflammatory skin conditions like dermatitis and eczema, treats acne, helps speed up the healing process, heals and reduces scars, moisturizes dry skin, and eases rashes, insect bites, and sunburns. The first step is to measure out your essential oil, the tea tree essential oil, and I like to add it in a glass container, just like so. And then this is a method how you could do it, is that you take your activated charcoal, the measurement that you need, you will find the recipe down in the description box, and you can add the activated charcoal directly into your essential oil. Now, activated charcoal is very fine, so you need to be very careful that it doesn't poof up in the air. So what I like to do is to give it a stir with a mini mixer before I actually start the mixer itself, just to make sure that everything binds well before it can poof up in the air. And then I just mix it, and if I see that the mixture is too dry, I just add some of my oil mixture that I will use later on for the soap. And that way everything is combined and ready to be used in the soap. So once you're happy that everything is well combined, we can move on to the next step, which is to combine the lye water solution and the oils. And what I like to do is I like to soap at a very low temperature. When I'm doing this soap, I feel that I have a better control. So we are at 33 degrees Celsius or 92 Fahrenheit. And now I'm just gonna add the lye water solution to the oils. By the way, I'm using this spatula holder here. It's very practical and very comfy to work like this. And you can find it on Amazon as well as in local kitchen stores. So now I'm going to add the stick blender to the mixture and just blend to light emulsion. It means that all the mixture has completely combined. Now it's time to add the essential oil and the activated charcoal mixture. I like to take a spatula just to make sure that I can get the majority out of it. And tea tree oil has a very particular smell to it. Not everybody likes it, but it is absolutely beneficial, so it's worth it, let's say. Some people really love it though. So I just mix it in first by hand a little bit. And then I add the stick blender just to make sure that everything is really well incorporated. So we are ready for the pour, and I'm using this mold here from Silicone. I will leave the link down in the description box. They have very high quality silicone molds. They are not so cheap, but totally worth it. I also have another one, a lemon type silicone mold that I will show you here. I'm just pouring the soap into the molds. It looks beautiful, like this very rich black color. And here you can see a close-up. This looks beautiful. And you can give it a spritz with rubbing alcohol just to prevent soda ash. And then we're gonna let it sit for about 2 to 3 days. You will have to check and see whether or not the soap releases from the mold. So after a few days, what I like to do is checking by stretching the mold around the soap if it releases easily, and if it does not, you can just let it sit a couple of more days. There is no need to rush. If it needs more time, just give it more time. Here you can see the soap is still a little bit sticky, but I am impatient, so I can still correct the soap later on. And this is how it looks. I think it's really beautiful. And it's a fantastic recipe that I experienced. It really can help with skin impurities, so I can really recommend it. So of course, once you unmolded your soap, you will let it sit for about 4 to 6 weeks to cure before you want to use it. That's just what you regularly do with cold process soap. I like to use a dehumidifier next to my curing rack. I will leave a link down in the description box if you're interested to get one. I really recommend it. It just helps with the curing, especially if you are living in a humid climate. Alright, so there we go, our last soap to get out. And I think they turned out pretty nice. They smell amazing. Okay, you can see a close-up. So I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you around very soon for another one. In the meantime, I wish you a wonderful day. Bye bye.